Learn how to quickly use flashlight shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S25. This guide shows simple lock screen setup and quick panel access for instant lighting anytime. Step 1. Lock screen flashlight shortcut first. You can set the flashlight directly on your lock screen for instant access. Touch and hold an empty space on your home screen. Tap wallpaper and style lock screen panel. Select one of the shortcut positions like bottom left or bottom right corner. Choose flashlight, torch from the list. Tap done to save it now. Whenever you need light, just swipe the flashlight icon to turn it on or off instantly without unlocking your phone. Step 2. Quick Settings Panel Method. This is the most common and easiest way to control your flashlight. Swipe down from the top right corner using two fingers to open the full quick panel. Look for the flashlight icon. Tap it once to turn it on or off. To adjust brightness, touch and hold the flashlight icon. A brightness slider will appear. Move it left or right to set your preferred intensity if you don't see the flashlight icon. No worries, just add it manually. Tap the three dots or edit pencil icon. Find flashlight in the available buttons. Drag it into your active quick panel. Tap done to save changes. Now you can easily control your Galaxy S25 flashlight anytime using shortcuts. Fast access, simple steps, and more convenience for everyday phone use in 2026.